Hi, my name is Ruba Alamri. I am in the grade 7A and I am in the Rawad Ishbiliya school, and today we will be talking about waves. What is a wave? A wave is the disturbance that transfers energy from one place to another. What is a medium? A medium is the material through which a wave travels. How can we make waves? You can make waves by shaking the rope's ends up and down. The rope is going to be the medium and the wave is the up and down disturbance. As we can see back here, we're going to act like this is the wave that we made. The lowest points are called troughs and the highest points are called crests. How does a wave transfer energy? By transverse waves or longitudinal waves. Transverse waves are when the particles of the medium move perpendicularly to the direction of the wave travel, so they kind of hit or collide to each other. Or longitudinal waves, on the other hand, the particles move back and forth in the same direction that the wave travels or parallel to the wave, so they don't hit or alternate. Examples of transverse and longitudinal waves. Example of a transverse wave is spring coils when they move up and down as the wave passes, or light waves. Longitudinal waves, as we know, sound waves, are longitudinal waves. When the sound wave passes through the air, the particles that make up air move back and forth in the same direction that the sound waves travel. Now we're going to talk about the types of waves. Last time we talked about what waves transfer energy. Now we're talking about the types of waves, so don't get mixed up. We have mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. What are mechanical waves? Mechanical waves are waves that require a medium through which to travel. Mechanical waves can travel through more than one medium. For example, sound waves, for instance, can move through air, through water, even through a solid wall. So, fun fact, mechanical waves can travel faster in a liquid or solid rather than air. Now we have electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are a disturbance in electric and magnetic field. They are transverse waves. Example of electromagnetic waves, we have visible light, radio waves, microwaves, ultraviolet light, or as known as UV light, and X-rays. And we also have surface waves. Surface waves are transverse waves and longitudinal waves combined. An example of surface waves are earthquakes and ripples in the water in a pond. This is a table about waves. So we said we have mechanical, which requires a medium, and electromagnetic, which doesn't require, the types. And here we know that there's longitudinal and transverse, there's sound waves and water waves. Okay, now we're going to give a short quiz. Question 1. A wave is a disturbance of energy, decreasing of energy, increasing of energy, or none of the above. It's the disturbance of energy. Question 2. Is a material through which a wave travels? Crests, troughs, ocean, medium. Medium. Question 3. Electromagnetic waves are 1. Longitudinal waves, 2. Transverse waves, 3. Surface waves, or 4. All of the above. Transverse waves. Question 4. A surface wave is a transverse wave combination of transverse and longitudinal waves or longitudinal waves. Combination of transverse and longitudinal waves. Kahoot is when we join in a group. Thank you so much and please be safe.